Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all? Today I'm going to share this beautiful ice cream color sorting activity, and this is made with the popsicle sticks. And you need colorful papers, almost 4 5 colors, basic colors for the kids to learn. So you will need a paper glue and these sticks, these popsicle sticks. You can take 6 colors, up to you. So we will draw this shape. This is an ice cream shape. So you will draw this shape, and this is the both sides, and then later you will cut it with the help of scissors. And let's cut it the same shape. You will cut it and then you will draw on these colorful papers. So this is the shape, and let's fold it. You can make it right, and let's draw it on the colorful papers. You will gather the papers, and then you will put it on them and draw it. Now draw a line in the middle, and now you will cut it, and all the colorful papers you can see will be cut with these shape. This is the ice cream shape, round. So I was trying to capture the real sound of cutting paper, but I had some real background noises and they were really funny, so I just excluded that. So now we have this shape in all the beautiful colors. It's up to you, you can take so many colors. So now we will apply glue, paper glue, on this side, only this side, so you can join the ice cream, paper ice cream. So let the glue get dry and you can easily insert the popsicle stick. So you will make 4 to 5 colors, basic colors you are teaching to your child. So let's make the downside of the popsicle. We have to put the same color of the paper piece in the downside of the popsicle like this. So you will need hot glue to attach this piece of paper so the kids can recognize and match the popsicle with the ice cream. So this is the purpose of adding. So now I'm taking a white paper and I'll fold it so many times because I want to make beautiful eyes of these cute ice creams. I am using this stencil for making the perfect equal circles of the eyes. So let's draw the circles of the same size because I want the eyes of the same size on each ice cream shape. So let's cut it. Maybe it's little thicker to cut these piece of papers, but if your scissors is like sharp you can easily cut it. So cut the eyes, cut the 2 circles, and then paste them on these beautiful ice creams. So after cutting the beautiful circles, I will show you pasting eyes on only on one ice cream, which is in red color because the video is getting like so much longer. So let's paste eyes on this beautiful red ice cream, and this is the way you will paste eyes, and later on you will make smiley face of the ice cream so your kids will like enjoy it. So their ice creams will be smiling, so they will feel more happy to match the colors. So add all the eyes on the different colors. Now we will make some eyes with black marker. You can draw different sides of the eyes. Now smiley face, and it's all done. So now it's time to match the color. So your kids will match the color and this activity is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.